Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. While reflecting on our readings today, particularly the Gospel, the short Gospel from St. Luke, I asked this question to myself, and perhaps I could also ask this question to you. When was the last time you did something nice for someone? Kailan po kayo huling gumawa ng kabutihan sa inyong kapwa? Did you expect or receive something in return? Meron ba kayong nakuhang kapalit? Or naghihintay po ba tayo ng pagbalik ng kabutihan at kagandahang loob na atin pong ibinigay or ibinahagi? There is nothing negative about being paid back or appreciated for an act of kindness. However, the highest form of kindness is kindness that expects nothing in return. Since there are no strings attached, nor are there any conditions, it is the purest form of kindness. Call it compassion. We heard in our gospel for today, when Jesus was invited to a particular celebration, he told the host that when he hold a lunch or a dinner, do not invite those who can repay his good deeds, but rather invite those people who have no means to repay the good that he or she has done. In other words, the gospel is telling us that generosity demands a measure of self-sacrifice. Sa atin pong pagbibigay at paggawa ng kabutihan at kagandahang loob sa kapwa, wag ho nating kalilimutan, hindi ho tayo nawawalan. In fact, we also gain. Why? Because in giving, it does not impoverish us, but rather the act of giving enriches the soul of the giver. True generosity springs from a heart full of compassion. God loved us first, and our love is a response of gratitude to His great mercy and kindness towards us. My brothers and sisters, again and again, we cannot undo God in His generosity towards us. Jesus showed us the way. He did it first. We can also do it by the grace of God. Kaya kapag tayo po'y magbibigay, gagawa ng kabutihan, tandaan po ninyo, hindi tayo nawawalan. Nagkakaroon din po tayo at ang ating kaluluwa ay lumalago. Kaya let us be reminded today of the very prayer of Saint Francis of Assisi. Lord, teach me to be generous, to give not to count the cost, to labor and ask not for reward, save that of knowing that I do your most holy will.